In this video, I'm going to show you how a woman who lost everything, her job, her house, and even her friends, discovered something more valuable than success itself. Her name was Clara. At 29, she had it all: a dream apartment, a job she loved, and people who admired her. But when the company downsized, she was the first to go. 2 months later, her savings ran out. And one by one, the same friends who used to call her stopped calling. Rent overdue. Bills stacking. Clara started selling her clothes just to eat. She tried everything: interviews, gigs, even starting a small online business, but nothing worked. Her confidence broke before her wallet did. She moved into a friend's garage, wondering how her perfect life vanished so quickly. One cold evening, she met an elderly woman outside a store, struggling to carry her groceries. Clara helped her without thinking twice. The woman smiled and said something that stuck with her forever. "You don't lose everything when you lose things, you only lose when you stop being someone." That one line hit her harder than any rejection letter. The next morning, she started volunteering at a local shelter, not for money but meaning. She found herself surrounded by people who had less than her, but smiled more. She learned gratitude, service, and simplicity, things she never had time for before. A few months later, someone from that shelter introduced her to a business mentor. Clara started learning again, rebuilding her skills, and eventually launching a social enterprise. A small company that hired people in need of second chances. Ironically, her worst year became her foundation. 2 years later, she was featured in a magazine, not for being rich but for being real. People she once envied now looked up to her. Her story wasn't about losing everything. It was about finding what actually matters when you do. So if you're watching this feeling like life stripped you of everything, remember Clara. Sometimes life takes away what you thought you needed, so you can discover who you were meant to be.